Happy Halloween, JPT family! Welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking at JPT. I'm Arena and I'm your host. I'm here to bring you the latest and greatest happenings at our school. Recently, our students and staff have been up to some great things. And remember, here at JPT, we are a family and we'll never miss an opportunity to make everybody feel welcome. Let's dive into our first highlight.
JP Taravella is conducting its first harvest drive of the school year. Many clubs and classes such as marine, drama, and several study halls are contributing to feeding families in need during Thanksgiving. We have met with the coordinator of this event, Ms. Santana, who shares some interesting insights with us. She was inspired by the SGA's drive towards helping families in need.
So SGA Student Government has always led the incentive at JP Taravella for the Harvest Drive, and we look forward to helping the families during Thanksgiving.
Ms. Santana's goal this year is to feed over 100 families. But getting students to contribute has been a real challenge, so she has to come up with some effective strategies to motivate students.
We've been putting out incentives for the teachers so they can push their students by offering extra credit, service hours, or if they're taking a test, they're allowed to use their notes, things like that.
Ms. Santana believes that the positive impact of the experience outweighs the challenge.
Just seeing how happy the families get when they are able to put a meal on the table.
This is Mariah Bryant reporting for JPTV.
Thanks, Mariah. And make sure to donate your items for the harvest drive before Thanksgiving comes up. On to our next topic, which is a very special announcement, including Miss Sessions.
This will serve as a friendly update for all things extracurricular at JPT. Our football team takes on Coral Springs High this Friday at 7 p.m. Come out and show your Trojan spirit. Our talented band gears up for a spooky session on Halloween. Yes, band practice will be held on the 31st, and anyone attending should be ready to hit the right notes from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So make sure that this is a Halloween practice to remember. Football practice will also be held from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. that day. It'll be a busy day for our athletes, we know, though we also know that you're going to give it your all. And now, the best is saved for last. JPT Drama is excited to present Dissonance, a play being held during first period this Friday, November 1st. Here's a couple things that Ms. Sessions had to say about the show.
Sure. Dissonance is about a young woman who comes to put a ticket in her mom's urn. Her mom has passed away from the illness, Alzheimer's, and her interactions with someone who works at the funeral home.
Considering the description of the play, Dissonance itself has some sensitive topics that are hard to deal with for the cast and the crew, including Ms. Sessions herself.
The hardest thing is it's a very challenging piece for actors. Obviously, it deals with some tough themes. For me, as the director, my mom is battling the disease Alzheimer's, so I've been slowly watching her slip away. So it's a very emotional time for all of us involved.
Theater 3 and 4 have been working at it to make sure that they ace this performance, working with sound, tech, lighting. As per Ms. Sessions, practice makes perfect.
Lots of rehearsal. We started rehearsing the scene or the play in our Theater 3-4 class, and now we've moved to our tech rehearsal, so we're rehearsing with sound and lights and costumes, etc. After school. It's just practice makes perfect, so different acting techniques and tech elements, working on props and set pieces, etc.
As for extracurriculars, that'll be it. This is a jam-packed schedule for our Trojans, so make the most of the ending of October. This is Victor Gonzalez for JPTV, signing off.
Thanks, Victor, for that lovely announcement. Now it's still spooky season, so let's dive into some Halloween festivities.
Hi, my name is Victor. I'm here with JPTV, and I'm here with
D.
Are you going trick-or-treating this Halloween?
Yes, sir. No.
I sure am.
No.
Definitely, yes.
Are you going trick-or-treating this Halloween?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Are you dressing up?
I am dressing up.
Okay, what would you dress up as?
I have a multitude of characters that I like from different animes and stuff. So if I choose one, I'd probably be Ichigo from Bleach.
I don't have a costume. What would you dress up if you had one?
A banana.
Steve from Minecraft.
Steve from Minecraft? Okay, classic.
I'm gonna be Betty Boop. If y'all-
Betty Boop? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the viewers know. What is your costume?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin. Okay, okay.
For Halloween, I'm going to be cosplaying as Miles Morales.
How old do you think is too old to go trick-or-treating?
I think once you get past 18, you should not be at nobody's house asking for no candy.
Anything over 20.
How old do you think is too old to go trick-or-treating?
I mean, I don't know. My mom told me to stop trick-or-treating when I was like 12 or 13. But honestly, I really don't care, like, at all.
I'd say when you're like around 40.
You could never be too old. 20. You can't be over 20 to trick or treat. That's just weird. That's weird.
I personally feel like you're personally never too old to like go trick-or-treating. But like, if there's like a certain age, I guess I can say probably around like your 20s, I guess.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of What's Cooking at JPT, and make sure to tune in for the next one.